C4 state competitions are coming up, and a few talented students from North and East were chosen to compete. BNN spoke with 3 of the students from the participating classes: Thomas Voiles of the 3D visualization class, Sean Sharp of the culinary class, and Alice Ho of the sports nutrition class. They had this to say.
I'm in 3D computer visualization and animation at State. Let's see, it is the Skills USA competition. So we go there on a Friday and Saturday. We go and we have a team of 2, and we will compete against other teams from other high schools. Basically, we're given a task. Last year was create a superhero and design a scene that they would be in, like for anything. And one of the other students, Caleb Best, is from Brown County, but he is a second-year student here. He was in it last year, and they were given just like 5 hours to just make a superhero and design anything really, and they got second last year, so that was pretty cool. Really, we're just kind of, doing all the assignments that Mr. Kane gives us, working on wrapping textures, pictures around objects that we make. Currently, I'm working on a Star Wars animation. We made X-Wings, TIE Fighters, Star Destroyer, a Rebel flagship, and a Death Star. And we have that all in the scene right now, and I'm currently working on the camera work, trying to get the cameras to work in space and see how that looks. So, there's a panel of judges, so we get judged on both creativity and the actual look of the animation itself.
I'm in sport nutrition and culinary art. We're going to bake the pumpkin pie and pumpkin bread and yeast bread and butter cookie and cake decoration. So they will look at how the food tastes like and the color of the food, and if you are overcooking or not, and also your cake decoration is pretty or not pretty.
The state competition is a cooking competition where you have 1 hour to cook an appetizer, an entree, and a dessert for judges, and they judge you based on your cooking. The competition is on March 9th. People can come and watch it.
For more information on the competition, go to the link in the description for the FCCLA website. This is Seth Noonan reporting for BNN.